Turn off this iPhone setting right now, or you could lose everything on your iPhone. Go to the settings, then scroll down to Face ID and passcode. If you have an older iPhone, tap Touch ID and passcode instead. Enter your passcode, then scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see a setting called Erase Data. If this is turned on, your iPhone will automatically erase all of its data after 10 failed passcode attempts. Now imagine this. You're asleep, your child grabs your iPhone and starts guessing the passcode just for fun. Or someone else keeps entering random passcodes over and over again. Once the 10th incorrect passcode is entered, your iPhone can erase everything stored on it. That means your photos, videos, messages, apps, files, and other personal data could all be wiped from the device. Unless you specifically need this security feature, it's much safer for most people to keep it turned off to avoid an accidental data loss. So, if erase data is enabled on your iPhone, tap it and turn it off before it's too late. That's it. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips that can save you from expensive and frustrating mistakes.